Hey viewers, I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'll provide solution to one commonly asked question: how to record screen and audio at the same time. This video shows the best ways to record on both Windows and Mac. You can choose from advanced screen recording tools and free solutions having basic features. Method 1. EaseUS RecExperts. EaseUS RecExperts is a powerful recording solution for all your screen recording needs. The software is available on both Windows and Mac devices. It is free to start, and you'll love to use it. Download and install EaseUS RecExperts from the official website. You can find the download link in the video description. Open EaseUS RecExperts and go to the left panel. Select from options to record full screen and a specific region. Choose your audio source from system sound and microphone. You can adjust the recording resolution and the background from the effects. Press the Rec button to record screen and audio at the same time. You can resize the recording window and adjust other video recording settings. When your recording is complete, you can stop it from the red stop icon. You can now preview and enhance your video with its post-editing tools. Method 2. OBS Studio. OBS Studio is an open-source software. It is highly versatile and perfect for controlling recording settings. Go to the official website of OBS Studio. Download and install the software. Open the OBS Studio software. Click on the Sources box. Here you can add video and audio capturing sources. Click on the plus button and add Display Capture to your screen. Select Audio Input Capture to choose your microphone as audio source. Click Start Recording and you can stop it from Stop Recording. Your video will be saved to your device. Method 3. EaseUS Online Screen Recorder. If you prefer online solutions, EaseUS offers an online screen recorder. Visit the EaseUS Online Screen Recorder website. The tool is free to use. Click the Start Recording button. Select audio and video capture sources. Choose the options to record from Chrome tab, a specific window, or your entire screen. Click Share to start the recording. Click the Stop button to end the recording. You can save it to your computer in WebM format. I hope the detailed guide will help you record screen and audio at the same time. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.